This season of Big Brother Naija, physical auditions are back. Big Brother Naija Season 10. Gold sponsor, Guinness.
Hello, people. Of course, it is I, and I could not wait to make this video now. Of course, I saw the information quite early, but then I was caught up with a lot of things. I was quite busy, but of course, I'm here to bring you the full lowdown of what this video is about. Of course, from the title of the video, you've gotten an overview, but you need details on what to do, how to do it, when to do it. So of course, this is the Big Brother Naija Season 10, and just a month ago, the organizers announced that they were going to start a new season and people should look out for the auditions. And now we're being told that the auditions are open and have started. Now, the auditions will close on the 7th of May. Today is the 4th of May, so literally you have just about 3-4 days for the auditions. And this is in the bid to be certified as someone who is worthy of being part of the show. Now, there is a whole new changes, turns that the show is having this season, and it is starting from the auditions. And this way, they are going back to the original form of most competitions around the world. So of course, they want you to be original, they want you to be yourself. Do not pretend, do not act like anybody, just come as you are and express yourself, and then you will be certified. Now, of course, for those who don't know, this season 10 is taking a new leaf, that the auditions are no more going to be online. They're no more going to be online auditions. Instead, it's going to be physical auditions. Now, people have limited slots, so they have to register on the website first within the 3rd to the 7th of May. That is about 4 days. And of course, you just need to go to www.africamagic.tv/BB auditions. Now, the main auditions will now be physical auditions, and it's going to be for 3 days between the 16th to the 18th of May 2025. And unlike before, the audition locations will now be 3 locations, no more 4. Now, before we know it was going to be Lagos, Enugu, Abuja, and Port Harcourt. But this season, we are having it that it's going to be Lagos, Enugu, and Abuja. And I think it is quite fair enough. For those in the middle belt and the north, they can go to Abuja. For those in the west, they can go to Lagos. For those in southeast, they can go to Enugu. And that is really awesome to see. Now, there are certain rules that people have to follow to get through to the competitions. Number 1, you have to be 21 years old or older. If you're not older, do not even bother to register or come. And also, there's the part where you need to certify that you are as an indigene, a citizen of Nigeria. Mostly if you're based in Nigeria or not, but you have to be a citizen. Generally, it is always advised that you arrive at the audition venue very early. See, I mean, I don't need to even start telling us. We know it is major things like this. People take it like it's do or die, life or death. There are people that are going to travel and sleep there 2 days before the audition date. There are people that would sleep there a day before. There are people that will come as early as 12 a.m., as early as 1, 2, 3, 4 a.m. just to go for the auditions, because usually there is so much crowd that it is crazy. And because they know there's going to be too much crowd and they would not want to cause a stampede or any of the sort, they have limited slots for people who would audition on each of the locations. So you need to audition like right now. You're watching this video, you need to just go to the website and register. If you need to understand how to register through and through, watch the video completely and quickly go and register. So of course, I'm going to explain how to audition and the processes you need to go step by step. First things first, how to audition. You need to visit the registration for the audition website at www.africamagic.tv/ BB Audition, not BB Auditions, not Bbnaija Audition, BB Audition. And then from that, you just fill in your personal details. You're going to ask for your name, where you're from, your age, your height, and stuff like that. And your nationality, and probably your passport and all the 9 yards, just to certify that you fall into the category of people that will be able to have the physical audition. Secondly, you need to also choose your preferred audition date, location, and time. I believe that this means that if you choose 16th, if you choose 9 p.m., if you choose Lagos, you have to be around on the 16th, you have to be around by 9 p.m. and you have to be around at Lagos. If you miss that, your registration format, you've lost out on it because they're not going to take you. They're trying to control the crowd. Fourthly, you need to always expect watch your email every hour of the day. It's an exaggeration, but that's how most people will go through it. So you can get that information and click on it and know what to move on from that day. And or else, because I think that things you need to confirm through your email. If you don't get to do it, you miss out. And also, you need to make sure you're available on your confirmed date, your confirmed time, and confirmed location. Or else, if you come the next day or the day you didn't register, you cannot pass. It's just what it is. And these people are not going to waste their time waste their time. Do you understand? Just to entertain you. And there's so much more that people need to understand, that when you're going for auditions like this, what it means is, when you get to the physical audition, you know that way you are with your friends, like your genuine friends, where you're like the freest, the most expressional, you are yourself without any hindrance or limitation. That is what they want to see. They want to see authenticity that can make them enjoy to stick to their screens and watch you for hours and hours, or else you're not worthy of the show. Do you understand? Don't come and form to be Emmanuel or form to be Tasha and all the 9 yards. If you do that, you're wasting your time. To an extent, most people, especially viewers, are tired of a recurrence of seeing people trying to give the energy of someone else from another season that did really well. It's like, are we going to relive a season of similarity? People do not care about that shit. They just want something different, something beautiful, and that's what you need to do. So of course, go and register, audition, and I'm going to see you on my screen. So you can even indicate that you auditioned or you registered in the comment section. We're going to be hoping to see you. And also, for those who are just going to be viewers, expect that I'm going to bring out a series of videos, especially videos that explain where to watch, how to watch, both from Nigeria, outside of Nigeria, Africa, and even other continents. So of course, until then, I'm going to see you on the next video. Ciao.
Going down in Lagos, Enugu, and Abuja for 3 days. When you come through, you better come correct. No dey form, just keep it real and make them feel your ginger.